Researchers have discovered a strange spinning object in the Milky Way they say is unlike anything astronomers have ever seen. There have been numerous times when scientists got glimpses of these weird objects, and one such object is the famous Oumuamua, the bizarre interstellar object that paid a brief visit to our solar system in September 2017. However, this time another alien object has followed its trail, which is very much similar to it. Scientists and researchers are working to find the origin of these creepy objects for a very long time, and they believe they are coming from an alien solar system. Hey everyone, welcome to Space Scientists. In today's video, we are going to talk about the spooky object found by scientists in space. And where did it come from? So if you want to know more about it, then stay with us until the end of the video. And before we start the video, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and ring the bell icon for more amazing videos. The origin and identity of a massive space object that careened past Earth in 2017 have remained a mystery. The object, called Oumuamua, which is a Hawaiian name meaning scout or messenger, has traveled on a trajectory that strongly suggested it came from another star system, and that made it the first interstellar object ever detected. A few researchers, including Harvard University astronomer Avi Loeb, posited the object was an alien spacecraft. However, others suggested it was an asteroid or perhaps an interstellar comet. Now, a pair of papers published in an American Geophysical Union journal offers another theory, that Oumuamua was shrapnel from a tiny planet in a different solar system. According to Stephen Dench, an astrophysicist at Arizona State University and co-author of the new study, who said in a press release, "We've probably resolved the mystery of what Oumuamua is, and we can reasonably identify it as a chunk of an exopluto, a Pluto-like planet in another solar system." But by the time astronomers became aware of Oumuamua's existence in 2017, it had already zipped away from Earth at 196,000 miles per hour. So they had only a few weeks to study the strange, skyscraper-sized object. Several telescopes on the ground and one in space took limited observations as the object flew away, but astronomers were unable to examine it in full. Scientists have revealed that Oumuamua's spin, speed, and trajectory couldn't be explained by gravity alone, which suggested it was not an asteroid either. And talking about the object's shape and profile, it's about 1/4 of a mile long, but only 114 feet wide, which clearly doesn't match that of any comet or asteroid observed before. In addition, according to the authors of the new study, however, Oumuamua's frozen nitrogen composition could explain that shape. As the outer layers of nitrogen ice evaporated, the shape of the body would have become progressively more flattened, just like a bar of soap does as the outer layers get rubbed off through use, said Alan Jackson, another study co-author. The first theory that was performed was that it was an asteroid. The scientists looked to the size of the object, which was 2,600 feet or 800 meters long and around 260 feet or 80 meters wide. However, it was reported that astronomers stated the object was not moving strangely. So they put on the fact that Oumuamua showed a really strong non-gravitational acceleration, and this tells the researchers that its motion indicated that gravity was not the only thing dictating its path. Furthermore, there are many strange properties about this object which the researchers cannot explain. For example, the way it mimics a comet, but yet it didn't have a tail. Also, NASA themselves reported that the interstellar visitor is 10 times as long and that this aspect ratio is far greater than any asteroid or comet. Using observations from NASA's Hubble Space Telescope and ground-based observatories, an international team of scientists have confirmed Oumuamua, the first known interstellar object to travel through our solar system, got an unexpected boost in speed and shift in trajectory as it passed through the inner solar system last year. Our high-precision measurements of Oumuamua's position revealed that there was something affecting its motion other than the gravitational forces of the Sun and the planets, said Marco Michelli of ESA's European Space Agency Space Situational Awareness Near-Earth Object Coordination Center in Frascati, Italy, and lead author of a paper describing the team's findings. Analyzing the trajectories of the interstellar visitor, co-author David Vernocchia of the Center of Near-Earth Object Studies at NASA's Jet Propulsion Laboratory found that the speed boost was consistent with the behavior of a comet. As he said, this additional subtle force on Oumuamua likely is caused by jets of gaseous material expelled from its surface. This same kind of outgassing affects the motion of many comets in our solar system. Comets normally eject large amounts of dust and gas when warmed by the sun. But according to team scientist Oliver Hanot of the European Southern Observatory, there was no visible signs of outgassing from Oumuamua. Karen Meach, an astronomer at the University of Hawaii's Institute of Astronomy and co-author of the study, speculated that small dust grains present on the surface of most comets eroded away during Oumuamua's long journey through interstellar space. The more we study Oumuamua, the more exciting it gets, Meach said. I'm amazed at how much we have learned from a short, intense observing campaign. I can hardly wait for the next interstellar object. According to a recent study, Oumuamua, which is less than half a mile in length, now is farther away from our Sun than Jupiter and traveling away from the Sun at about 70,000 miles per hour as it heads toward the outskirts of the solar system. In only another 4 years, it will pass Neptune's orbit on its way back into interstellar space. Because Oumuamua is the first interstellar object ever observed in our solar system, researchers caution that it's difficult to draw general conclusions about this newly discovered class of celestial bodies. However, observations point to the possibility that other star systems regularly eject small comet-like objects, and there should be more of them drifting among the stars. Furthermore, ground and space-based surveys could detect more of these interstellar vagabonds, providing a larger sample for scientists to analyze. So, if someday you see another of these cigar-shaped Oumuamua passing by, don't be scared, because it has been confirmed that it's most certainly not aliens, but just another mysterious space object quietly exploring the universe. And this is it for today. What are your thoughts on today's video? Share your views with us in the comments below. Also, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and ring the bell icon for more amazing videos about space. And thank you for watching.